So far this year, we have been reviewing lots of different ways to approach a multiplication problem. We've been learning different strategies of how to break the numbers down and how to use them and use some mental math to do some multiplying. Today, we're going to review what's called the standard algorithm, which is a really fancy word just to say how to just multiply it out with pencil and paper. This is the way that Mrs. Foraker learned how to multiply. This is most likely the way your parents learned how to multiply, and they'll be really glad that we're going over this today. All right. And we've also learned this last year, so this should be a review for what we're doing. Right. So I'm going to do the problem 53 times 6. I'm going to write it out. I'm going to line it up with my ones in my ones place, my tens in my tens place. Okay. I'm going to start with my 6, and I'm going to multiply my 6 in my ones place times the ones in my 53. So 6 times 3 is 18. Put down my 8 here. Got to carry that 1 that I didn't have. I'm going to regroup it. 6 times 5 is 30, and then I'm going to add. I'm not going to add it before I multiply. I'm going to multiply first, just like order of operations. I'm going to multiply first. 6 times 5 is 30. Add that 1 more, 31. So the answer is 318. This is the same as if I was going to do draw my boxes. 6 times 50. 6 times 3, I would have gotten 30, or would have gotten 300, and I would have gotten 6 times 3 is 18. So it's just kind of putting this same strategy in a quick, easier way to do it. Let's practice one more problem. Okay, let's do 135 times 4. Okay, again, I'm going to write my larger number. Write my larger number on top. I'm going to line up my 4 with my ones place. 4 times 5 is 20. Put down my ones, carry my tens. 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to add those 2 that I regrouped. So 12 plus 2 more is 14. Put down my ones, carry my tens. 4 times 1 is 4. Add 1 more is 5. So my answer is 540. Remember, you multiply the ones, then you multiply the tens, then you multiply the hundreds. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to practice some problems like this today.